today we're back out in the park there with the Wingsland S6. Some time ago I picked up the R6 controller, but I haven't had much luck with connecting it to my phone. I was using I have the Samsung S9, and I did try it with the Samsung S7. It's somewhat connected to the S7, but then I decided to sell the S7, and I needed something else to fly the Wingsland S6 and fly my DJI Rise Tello. Anyways, so I was trying to think of what I could use rather than have another phone, and something that could actually connect. So I decided to try the Samsung Tab A 7-inch. But as you can see, it's a little too big for the phone holder. The phone holder on here, it's the tablet is just too big to fit in there. So I decided to go to the dollar store and just picked up a cheap phone case from the dollar store. It had like a white insert already in it, so I glued that in there. Then I just bought a piece of foam cord and some Velcro, and I glued the foam core onto oh, it looks like she's not totally glued there, but I think she's still going to work. Put the Velcro onto the foam cord, and then on the back of the tablet we put the other half of the Velcro. We covered the back of the tablet so it can be used for the Tello or the Wingsland. So I'm not even sure if I'm going to get this connected today, but let's give her a shot. I think we're going to put a fresh battery in. Take that one out. Put a fresh battery in there. Open her up. Okay, we're going to turn her on. Okay, so we got her on. Let's turn the tablet on. So we're going to connect to the Wingsland. So we'll open up settings, go to Wi-Fi, Wingsland, password, Wingsland, connect. Okay, we're connected. Now we're going to click on Wingsland and say forget. Okay, now we'll turn on the controller. Okay, we'll slip our foam piece in there. Okay, so our foam piece is in there. Okay, now we're gonna, let's see if she comes up. We need the controller to come up in the Wi-Fi. Okay, it looks like the Wingsland R6 controller just connected, and it looks like the blue light came on. So it looks like we're connected. Let's get out of there. We'll go into Wingsland app. Click go. Without propeller guards. Okay, it looks like we're connected. Okay, it looks like they've paired up. So let's put this in the controller. And let's see if she'll take off. I'm going to go back into settings. It's in beginner mode. I think we'll leave her in beginner mode. Flight speed low. Okay, let's calibrate. So let's do a calibration. Successful calibration. Okay, let's get out of there. Okay, let's see if we can do a takeoff. See what happens. I'm not sure what happened there. Oh, this propeller was stuck. Oh, that propeller. Looks like that propeller had got stuck, so I guess that's something you might want to check before your flight. Let's try this again. Okay, so we have to connect. Okay, Wingsland. Okay, the RC is connected. Okay, let's go into Wingsland. Okay, it looks like we're connected here. Okay, let's try it again. Okay, it looks like we're we're using the controller. This is great. I guess my little homemade gizmo is working. Let's take her out a bit. Oh, she wants to land. Okay. Take off. Oh, I guess the batteries are dead. Okay, well, I guess that's all we're filming for today. We did manage to get her up, but it looks like the batteries went dead, and somehow the controller had disconnected, so we didn't really get much of a flight. We'll have to try this again, but obviously this little gizmo we've hooked up with the Samsung does work. It does fit on there, does fit on the controller, and we actually got her to work. So we'll definitely be out to try this again, get everything all charged up on a nicer day. It's very, very cold today. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please see thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Fly safe.